Break ID number 1789, 2011 Prime Signatures Football full case, 10 box break. This one has one filler for 3 spots. Carl, Fernando, Francisco, and Jeff. Francisco, CO, gets 3 spots. And the master list. And go. Hey, Thomas. There you go. 2 free spots. Tim, MA, Francisco, CO. All right, 2011. All right, box 1. Cameron Hayward, rookie auto to 49. Pittsburgh. Jeff, BR. Hey, John. Redemption. These are still honored even 7 years later. Rookie signature silver. We'll see who that is in a minute. '203. Nathan Enderly. Just double check the team in 2011. Uh, 2011 is the Bears. Francisco C.O. John Brody actually just sold this exact card. Somebody sold it, one of you guys sold it on eBay, on our eBay account. And it didn't go too bad either. To the 49ers. Fernando V.I. Last I looked, there was only 2 left in one of the Chronicles. And Spectra basketball and football are getting down there. Another redemption. 251. Mikel Leshore. In 2011, Lions. If I can find him, Daniel W.O. Donald Driver to 25. Christian Ponder. Would have been at the time. That one's on card. To the Vikings. Robert S.I. Darrell Scott to 199. Giants, Tim M.A. extra card in there. That's an extra auto, and how much you want to bet it's Phil Taylor. Deion Sanders to 49. J.J. Watt. J.J. Watt, rookie auto to 49. One of the short print parallels. Hello. How gorgeous is that? Rookie. Houston, Daniel W.O. Love it. And let's see Phil Taylor. To 49. No wonder you were hiding behind J.J. Watt. Cleveland, Adrian C.A. Yep, that was a nice one. Still waiting to pull the Cam Newton, though. It was our 10th case or something like that of this. Another redemption. $169 Prime Signatures Gold. Huh. Let's see it. 169 gold. Troy Aikman. Yes, sir. What a case. So that's Dallas. Brandon G.U. I have no doubt that that's live. They're not waiting for that still. So that's there. Redeem that, and you should get it quickly. And gold. Whatever that means. I could look it up, I suppose. Short print, 6 of 25. Danny Amendola. Love it. And it's to 25. This one's going to the Rams. CJ DI. Not exactly Troy Aikman or J.J. Watt, but nice. An active player with major success. Last box. Taewon Jones. On card, rookie auto to Oakland. Francisco C.O. in the free spot. That's a free card. All right. Man, that's all right, huh? What a box. I mean, case.